Well, it's just a little test rigging on the 1979 Drascombe Dabber Victory. Got the main in the mail today. Appreciate y'all sending that. We got the pulled the hoe out of the garage to make a bowsprit. Pulled the rake out of the garage to make a bumpkin, just to get an idea for the sail geometries. And get some measurements. I'm sure we'll be able to get them from the Drascombe Association forum, and so we can get some spars made up so we can continue on with the rigging and the sailing. The jib just has a little wire loop, goes around the end of a bowsprit, comes up halyard up to the top of the mast, back down. While you're up there, you see the forestay comes down to the stem. Got two side stays. We've got the yard arm on. We just kind of guessed where to tie it. Went up about 1, 2, 3, 4 grommets up on the sail. It says to put it about 9 inches from the top, so we're close on that. Halyard comes down. Here's the downhaul, and this is essentially the rigging you'll have. Got your main halyard on this belaying pin. Here's the downhaul coming up to the tack of the sail. So there's a little knot underneath the thwart here. Comes up, goes back down other side. Little jam cleat underneath. And the other side's the jib halyard. Worked on our floor today. Did the cutout. There's a pad eye down there. This is the centerboard uphaul line. We've got some blocks ordered for that. So there's the mast step. Mast step's pretty cool. It's got some little drain holes in it so you don't have water collecting there. It drains out. There's limber holes all the way through the back so the water can run back. Drains in the aft end. This is the Kumaru Peruvian teak we talked about. Once we get the jib rigged up, here's how the back up to the side stays. This is how they attach it. This is one of my favorite things about the Drascombes. It's real simple. Wire coming down to a little line leader, a couple turns around this U-bolt, and you're ready to go. Jib sheet will come down, run through that fair lead right there, across to a cam cleat. Similar setup on the other side. Oarlocks for 2 rowing stations. On the back here with the bilge tour. Little drain plug back here. We'll swing on up. The main's going to go back. There's some type of horse traveler on the back with a couple of blocks involved, up and down and back, and then forward to a few cleats. When you're sailing, you just throw a loose turn around one of the cleats and hold on to it. Helps take some of the pressure off. Here's the little cover that goes on the storage area back here. There's the rake that makes the making up the bumpkin today. The bumpkin, or the mizzen rigging, the sheet's going to come off, goes to a little fair lead on the back. The mizzen's going to be further out back here. Then it's going to run forward, come up. Oops, oh, there's my finger. This fair lead here, and then if you look forward, it's going to go on down to that little jam cleat right there, and that's where the mizzen sheet goes into. It's pretty much self-tacking. Use it most of the time unless you're on a run or you get in irons, you want to pop that loose. Otherwise you might spend a little time going backwards. Little outboard motor well here. It's got the notch in the back so you can put your outboard in and then swivel it up and get out of the water when you need to. Our folks at Honor Marine built this 1979. That's my rake though, they did not do that. Nice bronze hardware, nice tough null cleats. So this boat's built to last, meant to last, and it certainly has through lots of abuse through the last few years. But we'll get it ready. We'll get it going again. She's sporting some little belaying pins now. There's the hoe bowsprit. And I hope y'all are enjoying us putting back together this 1979 Drascombe Dabber. The name is Victory. And y'all have a great night.